Are AirPods Ultra actually coming to completely redefine wireless audio, or is Apple setting us up for a massive surprise? If you think AirPods are just for listening to music and taking hands-free calls, Apple might be about to shatter your expectations. The tech giant appears to be quietly assembling the building blocks for an AI-powered wearable that lives right inside your ears. Rumors surrounding Apple's next-generation AirPods development suggest the company is working on multiple distinct versions of its premium earbuds. While early reports pointed toward a model featuring full camera modules for spatial awareness, that specific version may have hit technical delays. However, supply chain activity indicates a separate high-end model is moving rapidly through development. Instead of waiting for full optical camera integration, Apple could launch a version equipped with infrared sensors or lower-resolution sensing hardware first. This clever hardware distinction explains why early leaks felt so contradictory. The camera-centric model remains a long-term project, while a sensor-packed model could drop much sooner. Positioned above the current AirPods Pro, branding this new entry as AirPods Ultra fits Apple's established strategy of using the Ultra name for its absolute top-tier hardware. Beyond hardware leaks, internal software code adds serious weight to these claims. Developers digging through recent operating system builds have uncovered distinct code references linked to unreleased AirPods hardware. Apple routinely embeds hardware support into its operating systems months before public release to allow internal testing. When unannounced hardware references surface alongside major system updates, it usually signals that a real product is moving past the concept stage and into field testing. The timing aligns perfectly with Apple's massive push into artificial intelligence. Future Siri capabilities and Apple Intelligence features become infinitely more useful when coupled with real-world context. Imagine walking through a city, looking at an historic landmark, and simply asking Siri what you're looking at. Instead of pulling your phone out of your pocket, sensor-equipped earbuds could gather visual or spatial data from your surroundings and feed it directly into Apple's AI models. This capability also carries huge accessibility benefits, providing visually impaired users with real-time spoken descriptions of street signs, obstacles, and physical objects. Integrating spatial sensors into audio gear naturally brings up a major hurdle: privacy. The idea of wearing devices capable of capturing environmental data raises immediate surveillance concerns. Apple would need to engineer a visible LED light or clear status indicator to alert people nearby whenever active scanning occurs. Given Apple's heavy marketing focus on user privacy, making these safety indicators unalterable will be critical to earning public trust. To run advanced AI processing and sensor feeds simultaneously, an AirPods Ultra model would require a much more capable processor. A next-generation audio chip could process spatial environment data, execute localized AI commands, and deliver massive upgrades in sound quality. Expect noticeable improvements to active noise cancellation, spatial audio depth, and lossless audio support. Power consumption will be the main challenge, requiring a combination of higher density batteries and advanced energy management to maintain reasonable battery life. Adding to the evidence, third-party accessory manufacturers are already adjusting their supply chain plans. Case makers often receive confidential dimension metrics ahead of launch to ensure accessories hit shelves on day one. When early accessory tooling correlates with software leaks and analyst forecasts, it points to an imminent launch window. If launched, the AirPods Ultra will likely command a premium price tag of $299 or higher. While $299 is a steep price for earbuds, it makes sense if Apple positions them not as mere audio accessories, but as an entirely new class of wearable AI hardware. What do you think? Would you pay $299 or more for a pair of AirPods Ultra if they offered advanced AI, ambient sensing, and next-level sound quality, or do you prefer keeping your earbuds simple? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you liked the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another update.